What is Scale Computing Platform? It's the overarching solutions that your clients need, whether it might be for the core data center where they're running those traditional type virtual machines, or VDI, video surveillance, those types of things, or for edge computing where your client needs something very small and cost effective and also bring high availability to it. Now included with that is a cloud-based management interface that makes it extremely easy to manage whether it's 100 or 1,000 plus sites. So is it cloud-based? Yes, the management side of it is, but it is also on-prem hardware, so you're going to get the best of both worlds, where you're going to get the performance you need, the high availability that you need locally, but still a very, very easy management interface in the cloud.